Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And yes, right now I'm actually kind of sick, but what are we gonna do? But I really wanted to share this with you guys because I have already been testing these items for like quite some time, and I wanted to share it because it's summer, it's really hot. Here it's actually almost all the time summer. So in the tropical countries, it's just like a daily basis to how to always stay breezy, feeling good. And for now, I wanted to show summer favorites but also what we've been wearing for recently this June, and I'm excited. These are mainly clothes because I really want to separate right now all the videos that I create for like specific items so it won't be that confusing. So right now I want to share a lot of the clothings. So let's take on the top first, and this one, these two items are like the perfect color for summer. These are actually for men. This is actually my hobbies. And these are actually beautiful spectacular shirts. I love them so much because as you can see, this like beautiful muted pastel pink purple color. It's just fresh, and wearing this with like nice, my hubby wears it actually often, is Uniqlo shorts, like the linen shorts in Uniqlo. That is really amazing, and this one feels good with it. And if you don't want that, you could opt in monochrome color, which with this one, like this pale, it's really like a pale yellow. It's not creamy. It's really a nice kind of fresh color. Actually almost add this one another lighter shade, and that is it. And it's just so beautiful. It's very fresh, and I would really recommend these colors. With these particular shirts, I can recommend so much of the colors that they have, and I would really suggest right now to try to crop them. Actually, we did crop a couple of the shirts that my hubby has because he actually likes it more like exactly leaning towards his torso, which is really great also, and it keeps your legs full really longer, so it accentuates that. So I would really suggest to somehow tailor your shirts or your clothing right to your body shape. And with that, we're actually going to crop these ones. These are from Lifeline, but my hubby loves them because when you're sweating and then you're going to commute, evidently, especially with guys, they don't really bring that much stuff with them. So they don't like change their shirt when they get there. So this one is actually very long. This is the that Lifeline polo shirt. So the regular fit, this is in the large because my hubby's actually having a bigger build right now. This one is really great. By the way, my hubby is around 73, 74 kilos. So take it as you will. Yeah, this shirt, I love this so much. This beautiful pale gray shirt. It's really fresh, especially for Moreno and Morena people because the color is very cool tone. So it really accentuates and relaxes the warm tones of Morena or Philippine colors or Filipino colors. So this one is really one of my favorite colors for him, and he really loves this too. And when he's sweating, it doesn't stick like it's like the blotchy patch sweat. It actually kind of like spread out, or it doesn't really have that patch of sweat that you could see on lighter colored clothing. So I really like that, as well as my hubby, because he's a bit more concerned right now with those like splotchy sweat, especially it's getting hotter now. So I would suggest to get the Lifeline. And the other color that I like with this one is actually the blue one. This is a beautiful navy color. This one, if I'm going to choose between the gray and the blue, I would really suggest to get the navy blue because the navy blue complements everything. It becomes a lot more chic. It's also much more professional, and it goes with casual, formal. It has a lot of versatility, and it has more interest compared to black. So I would suggest to get the navy, but there's also of course the black one, the white one, and I think there's a khaki color as well. So check out Lifeline shirts. By the way, all these are, we spend them, we invested in them just because we wanted to really check out items that are worth it, and also we've used them and tested them out, so that's why we're recommending them to you guys. So with me, I actually like my basic Lifeline shirt. A lot of people nowadays have different brands to check their white shirt, and commonly Uniqlo, but I like this one, the Lifeline crop shirt. It's very wrinkled because I actually just had it in the wash, and yeah, I wasn't able to clean it out properly. But yes, I love this shirt because, by the way, this one is in a large, and I'm around 56, 57 kilos kind of girl. And yeah, this one fits me good. I think I might get the blue one as well, and maybe a black. But this is like the perfect basic shirt. There's also a lot of more bigger sizes. So if you want a crop shirt, especially for shorter women, this one helps elongate you or cuts your torso nicely so that your high-waisted jeans will look so good and you look longer for days. And yes, this one is my favorite. This is my basic tee. I don't really use any other basic tee anymore except this. And I do have a lot more lighter colored or white colored shirts that I've invested, but they have more designs to it, and I can't wait to share them. And it's actually one of it I'm obsessed, and I think everybody knows I'm a jolly chic girly. And this one is one of the jolly chic tops. I actually inverted it because this just got out of the wash. That's why I'm actually making this video now. But this shirt, I love this so much. It's so cute. Look at the puffy sleeves. It just adds a bit more drama with like nice jeans, and it looks so adorable. And then it's just like the perfect type of crop. It's just very relaxing, and it's also nice and cooling. It's not hot. And I just love the interest of it. Plus, the stripes is going down, so it helps elongate your body more. And yes, I have no comes and flaws to this. I even have different colored shirts in Jolly Chic that are mainly white because I love wearing white shirt as a basic, and then just changing it up with the bottoms. But yes, these are like amazing shirts. One more, if you want to go plus size, and one reason people, there are a lot of people actually that doesn't like ironing their clothes, like they want the whole, it's easy to use, and I would recommend AwesomeShop. AwesomeShop has, and they're awesome. They have plus sizes as well for women, and these are one of the tops that I really like. I've tested this on. I have a, I think, a choco brown of this. I really love it, but this one in white, this is so cute. And look at the stripe details to it. I love it so much. There's like a really nice effect to it, like the details, and it's very good and easy to pair. Plus, this doesn't wrinkle. I'm really shocked and amazed, but it doesn't wrinkle, so I really like the whole style of it, the whole vibe. It's just so cute. And also it has really nice details that's helped fresh for this summer. Now, another white top. This one, there's a lot of shops already that has this. I think I go with Erin. Erin Clothing is where I got this one from. But I also linked down plus sizes that I forgot what shop was that from, that we got plus sizes that are up to 3 and 4XL, which is really great. So this is my top. I actually got the large to 2XL size because I think I would want more that's a bit more bigger, kind of not too hugging too much, but just exact, just like a basic tank top, but more cleaner, classier. So this is one of my favorite tops. And this one, it doesn't have a tag on it. That's why I love it so much, because you could invert it if you want a more lower neckline, or a bit more modest neckline. So you could opt for that and change it a bit as you go on your style. And it's just very versatile. I think I've styled the black one of this, and that's why I was able to get the white, because I am obsessed with this shirt. One more shirt's the same as that is like the epitome color of summer. It's this beautiful powder blue. It's the same shop where I got that one, and there's also other shops from it, but there are different iterations on how the powder blue it is from those other shops. But this one is just so cute. I think a lot of the powder blues are, and I've noticed that powder blue is my color. I love wearing this. It's just so chic, but I don't know if it would match. I might try to style it with my new kind of rose gold hair right now. I've been loving it just because I wanted something but more toned down. That's not too crazy of a vibrant color, just to be able to get other colors on my outfits. So that's why I'm kind of excited if it will look good with this powder blue. And as you can see, I have used them. I've used them so much. The only thing I haven't used, because I wanted to give this to, is actually this one, the Awesome Shop. But because I have a choco brown of this one. That's why I don't need to try on the white one. Now another summer color, which I also got in the wash. This super cute crop shirt is just such a cutie granny look, but kind of updated, kind of a bit more modern right now. It's very feminine. It's also not exposing too much just because the button is you could button it up to here. So it has a modest neckline. So it's really really cute. I love the sleeves so much. And with this baby yellow, it's just a very summer vibe. I like it and it's so fresh. And this is also from Jolly Chic. And like I said, I love Jolly Chic. I have so many of their shirts. I might even show you like the collection that I have of Jolly Chic clothes. It's because they're easy to pair as well. But unfortunately, with Jolly Chic, I don't think it's wise enough to have them on plus sizes because a lot of them fit like a bit more on the smaller size or small to medium, and a bit of the large. But most of their clothes are actually more onto the small to the medium. And for me, although I do dress up on large sizes, just because on the bust area and on the arms, I really want it to be more comfortable. That's why I do opt for that. Plus, I don't really like super fitted clothes. That's why with Jolly Chic, I do choose some of it, and then some of them I actually pair with like a vest just to not make it feel like too tight. I want to share the bottoms, and of course, I also want to share them for the men. And this one is actually for men and women. I really love them so much. This is the most affordable barrel jeans that I could find that are great quality. They're not itchy. And of course, it's actually been trending right now. A lot of people actually been loving this because it really is good jeans. I've seen a couple of other endorsement on different kind of other jeans, but this one has been the best. It's not itchy. It's very comfortable. I love the vibe. It's just so cute. I This one it complements a body shape really really good and really well, and it lands really nicely on the feet, so it's not going to be too sagging if you don't like that. And I'm a girl that's 5'4". I'm not sure if I'm close to 5'5", but 5'4" is my like normal height. And then this one fits perfectly to it, and you could just slowly crop it or fold it a bit if you're a bit shorter. And another jeans that my hubby actually likes, this one is his. This one is like a garterized jean, but I will also link where the shop is as well as the other jeans that he has in this shop, because these jeans, they're like amazingly, they're like kind of crop here, but a nice kind of not too wide, but like straight leg, straight. It's not straight fit. It's probably straight leg because it's not hugging too much that it's up close to your legs and to your thighs. So it elongates your legs also, and it kind of gives that symmetry with the torso, because sometimes if your torso is too big and then your pants are a bit too slim, sometimes it looks unproportioned, and that's what I don't like also if your body shape is not going to be proportioned. So you have to be sure to check as well on the proportion of your body and how it pairs. If it makes your torso too short, or if you have a long torso, you have to cut it perfectly to your torso or upper to it, so that your legs will also be longer. So check that out as well, so you can balance how you look like with the weight and as well as the body type of your clothing. For the ladies, I love this, and I found a shop that they sell overruns of Zara, and they have the same or similar quality to it. So these are one of my favorite Zara shorts. So these are like Zara denim shorts. This is white, as you can see there. I love this short so much because it's so fresh. It's so summery, but it adds a bit more structure. I might even get a bigger size to this just for like the whole looser fit, because this one really hugs you just exactly. But I love the detail, I love the vibe of it. It's just fresh and clean. And if you don't want that, if you want a bit more affordable, I have the Uno collection here. So this is one of my favorite colors right now. This is like a teal green color. I'm obsessed with this shade, and I really like it because it's high-waisted. If you want a bit more shorter shorts, this one is a good to go. And there are actually, I think, plus sizes to this one too, because I did order the large one instead of the small to medium. So this one is a great option. So check Una collection out. That's where I also actually recommend also a lot of the trousers of my hubby. That has been really, really great too. Now, one another jeans. This one you guys need a basic denim shorts. So these ones, this is where I got also one of my wide leg jeans. I will also try to link them down below if they're still on stock, because this is where I got also this one. This is also a Zara shorts. I love them so much. It's really, really comfortable and nice. By the way, I'm a size 28 with this one because I have bigger thighs and a bum. So I do up a size. I just tend to put on some shorts or like maybe a baggy shirt on this. But these are so comfy. They're thick, they're not itchy, they have great quality as well, and I would really, really recommend them because they are worth the price for what it is, especially for the quality that you have. And if you want the linen like summer vibe, I still have this one. I will try to find, because I think the shop where I got it, I think changed. So I will try to link it down below or similar ones. This is the linen shorts. This is one of the affordable ones that I got. So hopefully I can still find the exact shop to it. But I will try to find similar ones if I couldn't find it in the other shop. But this one, I got it also in Shopee. This is the amazing linen shorts. If you're a person who really likes to wear black more, but you still want to feel that summer vibe, linen shorts are really great. These are great ones because they're not too short and they're not too long. So it just hugs you in the right way that still elongates your legs despite it being black. And black, you can never go wrong with it. It's just easy to pair. And yes, that is a wrap. I really, really like it. I also like the whole vibe of all the colors that I've chosen. I really thought about them. There are other colors also in there. I will link them as well down below because there are actually options that you could choose from. But make sure that it actually complements with you. If you want, you could try to match what complements with your skin tone and what actually looks like in your vibe, if pink looks good on you. But I would suggest the easiest color if you want it basic, clean, and easy to pair all throughout the year. Navy blue, white, of course black. Choco brown is still optional, but you have to make sure that it's not too warm that might be over warm to your skin tone, but also that has a nice vibe as well. And of course, the gray. So it actually is the easiest colors. And of course, blue tones, not only navy. Navy is just the easiest, classiest that you could do all throughout different events on a summer day or all throughout the year. I hope you guys like this video. I hope this is informative. If you do, please like and subscribe. Let me know what was your favorite find that I showed you guys. I can't wait to share more of these finds for you, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!